What's up everyone? So we're back with another video. This time around, we're picking up another project. This one is a little bit less than a so-called project because it doesn't need much. It's drivable as is, but it does need a few things to make it a little more safer and bring the value up a little bit. I have some plans for this car and I've been talking to the owner for quite some time now. I finally decided to pull the trigger. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Leave a like, do your thing. Appreciate you. Back on the road. So we are on the way to get new bae with my bae. So we're about to go pick up the next vehicle on the list. I don't know if I should say it right now or later. Should I say it later? So we're on the way to pick up a new project. It's not really a project. It doesn't need much, but you know, it needs a little bit, so we'll call it a project. It's a lot of money. I've been talking to the owner for about a year now. We saw the car last year. It's about half hour away, and it's a beautiful day to get it. We'll see how it goes. Come on. We're 0.8 miles away. It's scary because like it's such a nice car, but like it's a lot of money, bro. So we're getting married. I usually don't buy very expensive cars before we get married, but that's what normal people do.
It's an investment.
Investment. I'm actually getting like the nervous boost now.
You heard it here first.
My boy's yard looking cleaner than ever.
Oh snap. That's cute.
So we have made it. There she is.
There she is.
Oh brother. There's the goats.
Put them out.
Different types of like.
These are
Alpines,
French Alpine.
French
Yeah,
Alpine.
buddy. The ones that she has.
Did you poop?
Nope, almost.
I have a short shift kit. I haven't put it in yet, but that just makes it shorter.
Oh, so it'll be easier to kind of, okay.
I drove it yesterday, but keep cranking, keep pumping, keep pumping. Slow it down.
Huh? Wow. She's fired, huh? As you can see, this ain't a Porsche steering wheel. So we didn't get the car. You know, we kind of looked everything over. It was running a little rougher than I hoped, but I mean, it's pretty normal because it wasn't driven a lot recently. But I'm just gonna crunch, Oh, I'm gonna crunch some more numbers and hopefully next time we go back, you know, transfer some money.
She'll be yours.
Should be ours. So we'll see. If you're seeing this video, that means we got it. See ya! So if you're seeing this, you know what it is. 40 minutes, here we come. Here we go! And we're back.
This paint looks fresh, man.
I know.
That old.
I know. Just coming home, boys.
I'm going through the pictures and I found some, and I found this. Mouse had eaten, it's the hole that corresponds in and so I took pictures because I knew there'd be, they wouldn't survive, but look, Pompano Beach. So I don't know where it originated. Got it September 4th.
I think the highest mileage we saw was like 60, so that's still not crazy, so.
Yeah, it's on the title. I've had it for like 30 years. Anyway, I'll let you make sense of this and what was done. I don't know if you can see shaft. I don't know what the hell it is.
That's crazy.
Gasket, lower, crankshaft and rings. So we went through and did something.
Yeah, Gary, come look at this.
And this is, there's no mud on it anywhere at this point, no wrecks. It's totally clean, no crunch. I didn't fix anything on it, I just blasted it. No holes. Everyone usually sees holes in all these spots. Nothing in any of the spots that usually go. I did do this 68.
Oh yeah, that you plugged those, you said?
I plugged them, I didn't.
Yeah.
It stood out as
I think that's number one thing a lot of people do to
I
these
don't know if
cars.
that's cool or not. I took the 912 off the deck lid, but I kept it. And I'll show you, that's in here. Just how clean it is, taken down to bare metal. They had that's lead in some of it. I don't know if those are, but there's spots that were leaded. That's how they did it. This is all leaded in here.
Oh, you can see some of the Irish green.
But I took it down so I could get all that in yellow. Just do it right. But there's no holes. That's looking driver side, how clean that is. And
Did you have the inners and the outers of the doors down the sheet, like bare metal?
Not the inside. No, I have pictures. I'll show you. I got on the lip. That's his old muffler that I should have kept.
That's the one that you said you got rid of?
I should have leaded it, but yeah, I did do the inside. You're right. I did it. Didn't realize that. But nothing. Immaculate.
Yeah, literally. That's so weird because that one bubble on that side.
And it's DP40. It's epoxy primer. I have no
Yeah,
idea.
a lot of people were like, man, you're gonna open that, take a door panel off, and you're gonna see that thing's rotting. And I'm kind of like, man, you guys are just.
In the paint job, I screwed something up. I don't know.
It's
I
honestly
blew in
whatever.
some oil
For
or
it being that old, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's spotless under there. You're not going to get into it. Oh, here's the deck lid I was showing you. So I filled in the holes. I left them. I'll show you in a second. And same here. You can see where they stamped it. That's all handiwork of Porsche. And none of these dents are. It's not dent. It's just
Like you don't want to see the waviness.
I don't want
in it,
any
yeah.
of it. So it's called boarding the car. That's what we did. Yeah, I took that down too. Apparently, spotless. And that's not a ton of mud. That's just to make the factory would have had a little wobble there, and it could be micro thin. But it's sitting on. You could sort of see the green behind it. It's sitting on. It's DP40, which is you can see the green in there. Blasted it, sanded it down, DP40'd it, mudded it, boarded it, and then I got it close. Then you layer on the heavy duty primer. Then board it again, and I wasn't happy how these weren't perfect enough. Yeah, there's the wheels too that I sadly let go. I didn't leave a lot of chrome on it, but surrounds there. The S has more on the bumper, more rubber and less chrome. That's just S trim. That's all it is.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Anyway, so I wanted to show you something. Weber conversion. So you got $800 in Weber on there. So for opening this one, for getting in the back.
Oh, okay.
And then this one's for
Leaning back.
I only pumped it a couple of times because it's not hot. I'm going to drive it down the street. Just say goodbye to it.
One last drive. Him and his baby.
Yo, this kid. I haven't seen them build out. I'm glad you're getting it.
I'm glad I'm getting it too. Hi, Steve. That's totally fine.
Going to the right person.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Time to head out. Another air-cooled? No way. Oh, buddy. Definitely got to drive this thing like you're in 1960s, but on the way home, let's get it. the video, and I hope it was as exciting as it was for me picking up this new car. It needs a little bit of stuff, as you can see, but I mean, it runs and drives and it made it home. I'm gonna do more of an in-depth walk around of the car in another video, and also my plans for the car are pretty simple. I do want to fix the floor pans and a few other trouble areas underneath, but there's not much is needed. As you can see, the car was pretty clean. It was painted about 20-25 years ago, so it's definitely held up well. I want to put on a different set of wheels, and it's going to be used for my wedding as more of a prop, which already happened. So hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, share the video, show some love. Everything is appreciated. I thank you, all you guys that have been, you know, pushing me to do more and more every week. I'm gonna try to keep it coming. So stay tuned, and as always, be blessed and be superish.